Have you ever wondered why information systems are so crucial in today's modern organizations? These systems, a blend of hardware, software, data, procedures, and people, are the beating heart of our digital world. They empower decision-making, enhance operational efficiency, and give organizations a strategic advantage. Think of them as the invisible architects shaping the contours of business landscapes, from the e-commerce industry to healthcare. As we delve deeper, we will uncover the various facets of information systems and their impact on organizations. Firstly, information systems significantly enhance decision-making. They serve as the backbone of effective choices by providing timely, accurate, and relevant data. Imagine you're running an e-commerce business. You'd use a customer relationship management software, a type of information system, to analyze customer data. This data then helps tailor marketing campaigns to individual customer preferences, boosting conversion rates and customer satisfaction. In essence, information systems equip decision-makers with the necessary tools to make informed choices. Beyond decision-making, information systems also improve operational efficiency and provide a strategic advantage. Imagine an orchestra where all instruments play in harmony. Similar is the role of enterprise resource planning systems, or ERPs, in business. They synchronize various processes from inventory management to financial reporting, much like Amazon's fulfillment centers. By optimizing inventory management and order processing, Amazon ensures swift deliveries, a testament to the power of efficient information systems. But the magic doesn't stop at operational efficiency. Information systems also serve as a strategic compass, navigating organizations through the competitive landscape. Think of business intelligence tools as the crystal ball of the corporate world. They aggregate and analyze data, identifying market trends and emerging opportunities. Google, for instance, uses predictive analytics and Google Trends to anticipate consumer behavior, adjusting its strategies to stay ahead in the game. These examples elucidate how information systems drive efficiency and competitive advantage in modern organizations. The benefits of information systems extend to fostering innovation, enhancing customer experience, and mitigating risks. Let's break this down. Innovation thrives when collaboration and knowledge sharing are seamless. Think about platforms like Microsoft Teams or Slack. They utilize information systems to enable real-time communication and idea exchange, fostering creativity and problem solving. Now let's talk about customer experience. It's not just about selling a product or service anymore, it's about delivering personalized and seamless experiences. Take Airbnb, for example. They use data-driven algorithms to recommend personalized accommodation options. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also nurtures loyalty. And finally, risk mitigation. Information systems are pivotal in monitoring activities, detecting anomalies, and ensuring adherence to standards. For instance, healthcare organizations use electronic health record systems to maintain patient data securely and comply with privacy regulations. From fostering innovation to enhancing customer experiences and ensuring compliance, information systems play a pivotal role in modern organizations. In summary, the importance of information systems in modern organizations is multifaceted. These systems enhance decision-making, boost operational efficiency, and provide a strategic advantage. They foster innovation, ensure a superior customer experience, and assist with risk mitigation and compliance. They are the backbone of successful enterprises, from e-commerce giants to healthcare organizations. In an era defined by digital transformation, understanding the significance of information systems is paramount for any computer science student.